What's up guys, Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today we have this absolutely killer 2018 Dodge Demon. This thing's got over 1,000 horsepower from the factory. It's only got 1,900 miles on it. This car is absolutely crazy. Really good client of ours just picked it up. He brought it in. We're doing really two cool things to it. So first, we're gonna be doing a nice 20% film on the windows. It's gonna offer really high heat and UV rejection. And then the more important thing that we're doing on any kind of these Dodge Jeep Chryslers with big motors in them, they get stolen like crazy. So we're gonna be adding a CompuStar T13 system. It's also gonna have a push button kill switch so no one can wake up the CAN system to get into this thing and steal it. Lastly, it'll have GPS tracking as well. So anything you guys need, if you have a high performance car, especially a vehicle that's on the hot list for being stolen, please reach out. Once this thing's all wrapped up, I'll take a finished video to go over everything that it does. All right guys, thanks.